Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have square root of k plus square root of minus k is equals to 4, and we solve this problem for all the values of k. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and I hope so you like this method. But if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And the very first thing we are going to do is first we need to remove the square root sign on both of these two terms. So for this, first we move this plus minus square root of k to the right hand side, and it will be written as square root of k is equals to 4 minus square root of minus k. And now here, in order to remove this square root sign, we need to take squaring on both of the sides, and when we apply squaring, it will be written as in this form. And now further we have this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here k is equals to, and in the right hand side we need this nice algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2 times of ab plus b square. So according to this rule, we just expand our right hand side as in this form according to this formula. Okay, so this will becomes here 4 square minus 2 times of ab. Here our a is 4 and b is square root of minus k plus b square. So b is square root of minus k whole square. And now further in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as k is equals to, this is 4 square becomes 16 minus this is 2 times of 4 becomes 8 times of square root of minus k plus this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here minus k. And now further in the next step, here we move this term from right hand side to the left hand side, and we move this k from left hand side to the right hand side. So you see here this is minus 8 times square root of minus k. When we move it into the left hand side, it will becomes plus square root of minus k is equals to, and when we move this k to the right hand side, it will becomes 16 minus k, and this is plus times minus becomes here minus k. And now further in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as a times of square root of minus k is equals to, this is 16 minus, we have minus k becomes here 2 times of k. And now here our target is to find the values of k. So for this we divide both of the sides by 2, because 2 be the common term on each of these values. So we divide each of these terms by 2 on both of the sides in this way. And now you see here this is 2 times 4 becomes 8, and we obtain here 4 times of square root of minus k is equals to, this is 2 times 8 becomes 16. We get 8 minus this 2 and this 2 are cancelled out by each other, and we get here k only. And now you see that our square root term becomes into the left hand side, and now we again take squaring on both of the sides in order to remove this square root sign. Further in the right hand side we again use this nice algebraic formula, and in the left hand side we apply the square identity, and we can apply this square separately on both of these two values, and it will becomes 4 square into square root of minus k whole square is equals to, in the right hand side we use this formula, and it will becomes 8 square minus 2 times of 8 into k plus k square. And further in the next step we need more simplifications, and we get this 4 square becomes 16, and this 2 and square root are gone, and we get here minus k is equals to, this is 8 square becomes 16 minus 2 times 8 becomes 16k plus this is our k square. And now here further in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as, this is 16 times minus k becomes minus 16k is equals to, this is 16 minus 16k plus k square. So here we need to move both of these two terms from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will becomes, this is minus 16k, this is positive 16 becomes negative 16, this is negative 16k becomes positive 16k is equals to k square. And you see here, this is positive 16, this is negative 16 are cancelled out by each other, and we obtain minus 16 is equals to k square. So here for the values of k, we need to take a square root on both of the sides in this way. And now you see here, this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here k is equals to, here we know about that square root of 16 becomes 4 and square root of minus 1 becomes iota. Further you see here, when we apply square root on both of the sides, we will write here plus minus sign on any one of the side. Okay, so these are the two complex roots of the given equation, and this is our final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.